Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming essentials so voice access works reliably. First, make sure Windows 11 is updated and your microphone is connected and set as the default input device. Once done, open Settings and search for voice access. Enable the feature and allow microphone permissions when prompted. If you prefer cloud personalization, sign into your Microsoft account. Otherwise, local recognition still works. This first step gets the system listening and authorized, so you can control Windows hands-free. Now you'll configure behavior and train practical use. In voice access settings, choose whether to use command mode or continuous dictation. Make sure wake word and microphone sensitivity match your environment. Then open Notepad and practice core commands. Say open then an app name, you switch to change windows, and say click or click 3 to press numbered targets. Once comfortable, adjust speed and punctuation behavior so dictation matches your typing style. Repeated practice reduces errors and speeds command flow. Finally, integrate advanced controls and learn one key fix for glitches. Use the numbers overlay to click complex interfaces. Say show numbers, then speak the number to interact. If recognition becomes unreliable, restart voice access or toggle the microphone in settings. That resolves many temporary issues. Make sure privacy mic access is allowed, and if problems persist, update audio drivers. If nothing else works, reboot Windows. A clean start often restores recognition. This wraps setup and gives a dependable troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.